के I'm Chinthanawala. Today I would like to share a case where a patient first came and told me that he has some red spots on the or red eruptions on the head. Now, if a patient is suffering from red eruptions on the head, there are a lot of various diagnoses that you can do. It may be a seborrheic dermatitis, but normally if you see a red eruption on the head, so just scratch it and see whether blood is oozing out or whether scales are forming. It may be eczema, it may be herpes, it may be psoriasis. So try to diagnose first what the patient is trying to tell. But this patient was suffering from the eruptions on the head or eruption spots which were red on the head. There were also eruptions of herpes circinatus, and the odor from the eruptions from the hair was very bad. It was an offensive odor, as it is written in books, fish burn smell. He was also suffering from tinea capitis. Now, tinea capita or ringworm in the head with the same odor, fish burn odor. Of course, the remedy you must have always also guessed was tellurium. Now, tellurium is basically a very specific drug remedy given for ringworm, tinea capitis and herpes circinatus on the head. But the very striking feature in this case was red spots on the head. Now, as I asked him, if you touch the red spots, is it painful? And he said, sir, it is very much painful. If you also touch that part, it gives me pain. I cannot comb the hairs also. A very interesting symptom which the patient was telling. As I went further in the case, I asked him, any other symptom you have? He said, sir, sometimes because of this I have congestion in the head. Congestion in the forehead especially when I am walking. Means he has lot of fullness, heaviness on the head, especially on the forehead. And he said sometimes I have this fullness, the heaviness in the head, especially on the occipital region also. So I immediately asked whether he was suffering from blood pressure problem. I said absolutely no. In fact, his blood pressure always stays down. It is between 110 and the diastolic is 76, 78. So it was normal. So this becomes a very important symptom in this case where the patient is suffering from congestion, heaviness, fullness in the head, occiput and the forehead region, especially when he is walking. So immediately I asked him, if you walk in cold weather or if you walk in hot weather, does it change? Okay, no sir, it doesn't change. But if you have asked me, I'll ask you one question, and the wordings of the patient will surprise you. He said, sir, मुझे बहुत सर्दी होती है जब भी मैं खुली हवा में चलता हूँ, और मुझे सर्दी कभी कभी ठीक भी हो जाती है जब मैं खुली हवा में चलता हूँ. See the wordings of the patient कि मुझे सर्दी जब रहती है और मैं खुली हवा में चलता हूँ तो मेरे को सर्दी में आराम पड़ता है, लेकिन बहुत बार खुद सर्दी में चलता हूँ तो मेरी सर्दी बढ़ भी जाती है. So in one symptom, in one disease, the patient was trying to tell that he is emulated also in open air and is aggravated also in open air. So I thought that this is not an important symptom, so forget it. I asked him further, so he said, sir, एक symptom बहुत important है, मेरी ये lips है ना, ऐसे हलते रहती है, like this, कभी-कभी ऐसे हलते रहती है. So very short case which was in front of me. Of course, the drug was tellurium, but few symptoms which I have told you, which the patient told me, is very surprising. So we had symptoms like the symptom which the patient was trying to tell us that the red spot is very sensitive. He does not like to be touched. In fact, he has fear of combing hair also. So this is what the patient is trying to tell us. So in rubric form it becomes fear a touch of sensitive parts, because that part of the head which is diseased, red spots, has become very sensitive. So in tellurium, this I have confirmed, the fear of touch of sensitive parts. Of course, eruptions, spots, red, herpes, tinea capitis, with the typical odor of tellurium. But if you repetize the symptom of coryza, you will be surprised that it is also present in tellurium. Coryza open air aggravation and amelioration. Both this modality is present in tellurium, and when I found out in Mater Medica, I could see only one drug in the whole Mater Medica, and that was tellurium, which I learned something more apart from the skin symptom. And of course, that twisting of lips. That twisting of lips also is a very, very important symptom of tellurium, which I got in this case. I repetized, I gave him tellurium, and he was absolutely fine. But friends, few symptoms I would like to add in tellurium. That is, he has dreams of smoking cigarette. A tellurium patient, if you go deep in case taking, will always tell you that he have dreams of smoking cigarette. Even if he is not a smoker, even if he has not smoked cigarette for his lifetime, but still he have dreams of smoking. That I have confirmed, I have seen in many of patients. One more symptom which I would like to add in tellurium is the patient suffers some retching and gagging before yawning. In fact, tellurium patient आपको आके बोले डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मेरे को डकारी आती है और पूरी ऐसी सब ऊपर आता है ना, मैं सब उसका जम से ऐसी उबासी आती है. So this is a symptom which I have seen in case where the patient complains of retching and gagging before yawning, a very important symptom of tellurium. I'll tell you one interesting symptom which I had treated with tellurium, that is, the patient suffered from pain in the extremities which was aggravated by sneezing. वो डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मेरे को छींक आती है हमसे ना, मेरे हाथ पैर का दर्द बढ़ जाते हैं, मेरे घुटने का दर्द बढ़ जाता है, मेरे पैर का दर्द बढ़ जाता है, मेरे एंगल्स का दर्द बढ़ जाता है जब भी मुझे छींक आती है. Now this again is a very unique and a rare symptom in tellurium, that is pain in the extremities where sneezing aggravates. Tellurium. Skin symptom which I told for a case is a very common prescription, but these symptoms which I've added are very important symptoms that you will also see in your patient of tellurium. So give time for the patient to tell the symptoms. You will automatically get the symptoms. That is dreams of cigarette smoking, pain in the extremities aggravated by sneezing, retching and gagging before yawning, coryza, aggravation and amelioration both in open air, and fear of touch of the sensitive part, and of course the whole symptoms of skin that I have told. So this is for you, my friends, tellurium. Go home and read this drug. It has many of symptoms, but I am sharing those symptoms which I have seen in my patients and have cured in my patients. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.